If you're working with formulas like match with a lot of rows, instead of actually having to copy the formula down to the whole row, you can actually turn it into an array formula, which will automatically populate the formula results the entire column. To make an array formula, start with your base formula, and we've done that already in cell B2. And in this formula, we're only looking for the A2 search key. In order to turn it into an array formula, the first step after we have our base formula, the next thing we want to do is expand our range. We don't want to just look at A2, we want to look at all of the values in A. A2 through column A, so A2 colon A. We've expanded our range now, the search key, and now we're going to wrap it in array formula. And you can manually type array formula at the beginning of the formula and add parentheses to wrap it in that. Or the other option is the keyboard shortcut. On Mac, it's Command Shift Enter. On Windows, Control Shift Enter, and that will wrap your formula in the array formula automatically. When I hit Enter there, the values will populate down my entire sheet.